Lily, what are you doing? Well, you got your head stuck in there again. What are you doing, Lily? Huh? What you doing in there? Hey, Lily. Uh-oh. You gotta get your head out of there, Lily. Gotta get your head out of there. What are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Lily? This isn't good. You could be stuck. You could be stuck. What's gonna happen? Not good, Lily.